Hi everyone, welcome. Today is day 28. So the challenge that I want you to do is themed around this intention of cleanse. And this is one of my favorite challenges to do. It's something that I do in my own life at least once a month. I want you to do a social media detox. I want you to go on any social media platforms that you're a part of, and I want you to unfollow or unfriend at least 20 people. If you've been on Instagram long enough, guarantee there are some accounts that you're following that you are no longer aligned with, that don't make you feel good, that make you kind of upset when you see it, or that just are no longer relevant to you. I want you to declutter that space. Your social media platforms should be a really safe space that make you feel creative, that make you feel like you can be your full authentic self. Any accounts or people that you're following that don't align with that, cut them loose, cut them free, bless them and send them on their way with love. So really go ahead and unfollow a bunch of people. You can also do this with your Facebook profile if that's what you're doing, or your YouTube channel. Like if you're watching on YouTube right now, look at who you're following on YouTube. Do you still want to be subscribed to them? Maybe unsubscribe. If you're on Facebook, look at who your friends list is. Is it still relevant? Do you need to do a little bit of an update here? Purge, unfriend, remove. You can even do it with your mailing lists. Some of you maybe are not on social media. Props to you. That's awesome. But you probably are on quite a few mailing lists. So if you get a lot of junk emails or even mailing lists from people that you like, but maybe you just don't want to get this anymore and it's too much information, unsubscribe, okay? It's totally fine. It's not personal. You have no obligation to these people, to these brands, to these companies. Unfollow, unfriend, unsubscribe, get rid of it, okay? Get rid of it. I love to do this. I do this once a month and it always feels so good. You're a different person today than you probably were a month ago, a year ago, 10 years ago. So let's try to keep, our social presence online up to date and a true reflection of who we are right now at this stage of our lives. Have fun, declutter, cleanse, bless them, and let them go. And we'll connect again tomorrow.